Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of excluding transactions that are available only on portal but don't belong to you in GSTR2B reconciliation in Tally Prime. There may be instances when a supplier unknowingly uploaded an invoice recorded for your GSTN UIN on the GST portal. However, you know that the transaction doesn't belong to you. In a different scenario, some invoices are rightly uploaded against your GSTN. However, since the transactions are recorded for expenses such as staff welfare, stationery products, and others, you don't want to avail the input tax credit or ITC. In such cases, you can easily exclude the transaction from GSTR2B reconciliation. Let's see how to do it. Open GSTR2B reconciliation report. Press Alt-G. Type 2B and open GSTR2B reconciliation. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Drill down from Available only on portal. Let's consider that this transaction doesn't belong to you. Select the transaction and press Alt-S to set the GST status. Select Excluded and press Enter. Press Escape. The transaction moves to the Excluded Portal Transactions section. Now, consider that you accidentally excluded a portal transaction. In such a case, you will want to include it back. Select the transaction and press Alt-S. Set the status of return as System Inferred. The transaction moves to the Available only on portal section. Now, if you record a voucher with the same values, then the transaction gets reconciled in the GSTR2B reconciliation report. As you saw, you can easily exclude transactions available only on the GST portal whenever those transactions are not applicable to you. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.